Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia. Today, I want to talk about something that quietly separates reactive market participants from confident, prepared investors. It's not a secret strategy or a flashy indicator. It's something much more foundational and yet often overlooked. We are talking about building a macro watch list, and more specifically, how to build a macro watch list for investors that actually helps you make better decisions in real market conditions. If you've ever felt surprised by market moves that seem to come out of nowhere, or if you've wondered why a solid earnings report didn't move a stock the way you expected, chances are the answer lies in macro forces you weren't fully tracking. Markets don't exist in a vacuum. Prices reflect expectations about growth, inflation, policy, risk, and global stability. A macro watch list gives you a way to see those expectations forming before they show up in price action. When we talk about a macro watch list, we are not talking about a list of stocks or trades. We are talking about a framework, a way of observing the economic and global environment so you can understand why markets behave the way they do. This includes economic data, central bank policy, labor conditions, fiscal decisions, geopolitical developments, and even signals coming directly from markets themselves. The goal isn't to predict every move. That's not realistic. The goal is to build context. When you have context, you stop reacting emotionally and start responding strategically. This matters more now than ever because markets are deeply interconnected. A change in interest rate expectations in one country can move currencies across the world. Inflation data can ripple through equities, bonds, and commodities in minutes. Geopolitical developments can reshape supply chains and risk appetite almost overnight. Investors who ignore macro forces often find themselves constantly surprised. Investors who track them tend to be calmer, more prepared, and more adaptable. So let's walk through what actually goes into a macro watch list and how to think about it as a living part of your investing process. At the foundation of any macro watch list is economic growth. Growth tells us whether the economic engine is speeding up or slowing down. It influences corporate earnings, employment, consumer spending, and overall risk appetite. When growth is strong and accelerating, markets tend to reward risk-taking. When growth slows, volatility usually increases and defensive positioning becomes more attractive. Key growth data includes things like overall economic output, manufacturing activity, and consumer spending trends. What matters most isn't just one data release, but the direction over time. Is growth gaining momentum, plateauing, or rolling over? That answer shapes how markets price the future. Closely tied to growth is inflation, which is one of the most powerful drivers of market behavior. Inflation affects purchasing power, profit margins, and most importantly, interest rates. Persistent inflation pressures central banks to tighten policy, while easing inflation gives them room to support growth. Tracking inflation isn't about reacting to one headline number. It's about understanding the trend and how policymakers are likely to interpret it. Inflation data, wage growth, and pricing pressures throughout the economy all feed into expectations about where policy is headed. That leads directly into central banks, which sit at the heart of modern financial markets. Interest rate decisions, policy statements, and even subtle changes in tone can move markets dramatically. Central banks influence liquidity, borrowing costs, and valuations across every major asset class. When policy is tightening, risk assets often face headwinds. When policy is easing, markets tend to breathe easier. A macro watch list helps you follow not just what central banks are doing, but what they are likely to do next, which is often more important. Labor markets also play a critical role in macro analysis. Employment data gives insight into economic strength and inflation pressure at the same time. Strong job creation and rising wages can support growth but also fuel inflation. Weakening employment can signal economic slowdown and rising risk. Labor data often acts as a bridge between growth and inflation, making it especially valuable for investors trying to understand where the economy is heading. Another area that deserves attention is fiscal policy. Government spending, taxation, and regulation can significantly influence economic outcomes. Large spending programs, stimulus measures, or tax changes can boost growth in certain sectors while creating headwinds in others. Fiscal policy often works on longer timelines, but when it shifts, it can reshape market dynamics in meaningful ways. Ignoring it leaves a blind spot in your macro framework. Then there's geopolitics. This is where uncertainty lives, but that doesn't mean it can be ignored. Elections, trade disputes, sanctions, military conflicts, and energy supply disruptions all have the potential to create volatility and long-term structural changes. You don't need to predict geopolitical events. What matters is awareness. Knowing where risks exist helps you understand why markets may suddenly reprice risk or change correlations. One of the most underappreciated parts of a macro watch list comes directly from markets themselves. Bond yields, yield curves, credit spreads, currency trends, and volatility levels often tell a story before economic data confirms it. Markets are forward-looking. When bond yields move or credit spreads widen, they are reflecting collective expectations about growth, inflation, and risk. These signals can provide early warnings that something in the macro environment is changing. Now, building a macro watch list doesn't mean tracking everything. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes investors make is overloading themselves with data. The goal is focus, not exhaustion. Start by defining your time horizon and investment style. Long-term investors may prioritize trends and cycles, while shorter-term traders may pay closer attention to upcoming data releases and market reactions. Choose a core set of indicators that matter to your strategy and review them consistently. Consistency matters more than complexity. A simple macro watch list reviewed regularly is far more effective than a complex one that's rarely used. Tools also matter. Tracking macro data, market reactions, and executing trades efficiently requires a platform that doesn't get in your way. If you're looking for a world-class, cutting-edge, user-friendly trading platform app that allows you to monitor markets and act on macro insights with confidence, it's worth checking out Crystal Ball Markets. You can explore the platform and see how it supports macro-driven decision-making by visiting crystalballmarkets.com/platform. Having a macro watch list is only useful if it informs decisions. Macro insights help investors adjust asset allocation, manage risk exposure, and understand when markets may be mispricing future conditions. It's not about being bullish or bearish all the time. It's about being aligned with the environment you're operating in. Learning macro investing takes time, and it can feel overwhelming at first. One of the easiest ways to build understanding is through consistent exposure to clear explanations. Podcasts are especially effective because they let you absorb ideas without staring at charts all day. If you're looking for beginner-friendly trading, investing, macro, and financial markets podcasts, the Crystal Ball Markets podcast series is a great place to learn. You can listen and build your macro knowledge by visiting iss.com/podcast/crystalballmarkets. Before I wrap up, it's worth mentioning a few common mistakes investors make with macro watch lists. Tracking too many indicators without purpose, ignoring how markets actually react to data, overreacting to single data points, and failing to update the watch list as conditions change are all traps that can reduce its effectiveness. A macro watch list should guide your thinking, not overwhelm it. At its core, building a macro watch list is about clarity. It helps you understand the forces shaping markets, manage risk more effectively, and make decisions with confidence instead of fear. When you combine a solid macro framework with the right tools and ongoing learning, you stop feeling like markets are random and start seeing the structure beneath the noise. That's the real edge. Thanks for listening to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia, and I'll see you in the next episode.